Now that you've chosen a topic for your research project, it's time to get your sources of information and start to take notes on those sources. So, this video will walk you through just getting set up to do that, getting your document set up to do that, um, getting everything that you need for this project set up. Okay, so the very first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that you have your Gmail open in a tab and your Google Drive open in a tab. All right, so we are going to be completing these steps here on the first step of the setup, get the topic guide. So you're going to start off by creating a folder in your drive that's titled Research Project Your Name. And then you're going to share that folder with myself and our co-teacher, Mrs. Dakins. So to do that, you're going to go to your Google Drive tab, and up in the upper left-hand corner, just below where it says Drive, there is a new button, has a little rainbow plus sign. You're going to click that, and the first option is Folder. We want to create a folder, so we are going to click that. And it will pop up a box that says New Folder, and we are going to title it, remember, Research Project, and then dash your name. And you're going to go ahead and click Create. So that'll go ahead and create the folder for you. Currently, we have nothing in the folder, but we're just going to go ahead and open it up. And then you're going to up where it has the title, kind of in this menu bar, it says My Drive. You're going to click this drop down menu with the little down arrow on the right there, and you're going to go to Share. It's the third option. And you're going to share this with myself, D. Duval, at phm.k12.in.us. And you're going to share it with Mrs. Dakins. That's J. Dakins at phm.k12.in.us. And then you can just go ahead and press send. Okay, now that you have created that folder and you've shared it with myself and Mrs. Dakins, we can now move on to the next thing. This is going to involve us going to our Gmail and finding an email that I sent you. It said, don't delete research project topic guide. So hopefully you didn't delete it. If you did, then you're going to need to reach out to me to resend you that information. You're looking for a link titled whatever your topic is, topic guide. And you're going to be clicking on that to make your own copy. And of course, since we have this research project folder that we've just created, we're going to be putting that into our research project folder. So first things first, let's go to our Gmail and find the message. You can see I pulled it up here. Once you have found the message that says don't delete research project topic guide, you're going to go ahead and click the link in that email. Another tab will open and you will see a blue button that says make a copy. You're going to go ahead and make a copy. And now you have your topic guide. So we need to put this topic guide into our research project folder. So you can do that by going up to where the title is, and then the document title, and then if you move over, there's a star icon, and then there's a little folder with an arrow that points to the right. That is the move button. You're going to click the move button, and you are going to go ahead and find your research project folder that you created just a few minutes ago. And you're going to click on that folder so that it highlights blue, and you're going to click the move button. And once you move it, if we go to our Google Drive, you'll see there it is. Okay, so back to this document. The nice thing about putting it in your research project folder is that it automatically shared with me and Mrs. Dakin, so you don't have to share every document. It will automatically, when you move things into that folder, make those things shareable. So the next thing we want to do is we want to take a look at our, click on the document title and rename it. We're going to change copy of to your first initial and your last name. So I'm just going to double click up here in the title on my document. I'm going to highlight title, copy of, and I'm going to type my name over it. You'll type your first initial, last name. Okay. So once I've done that, I can click off and my title will be changed. So then the next thing that we want to look at then is the topic guide itself. So now that you have this topic guide, this is everything that you need information-wise to be able to complete your research project. It not only outlines your topic, but it outlines your subtopics, and it includes all 3 of the sources that you are required to use. So you can see here on this slide, it points out kind of all the main parts of this document. Let's take a look in my sample. So your main research question, that's your main topic. That's the big question that you're trying to answer. You have 3 smaller questions that you will use to explore that larger question. And obviously we have 3 smaller questions because there are 3 body paragraphs. So each one of these questions will be a focus of a body paragraph. And you have a thesis statement. You also have works cited entries for sources, which you'll need to do your works cited, and you have the full text articles of all of those sources as well, all in this one document. So this is everything that you need to either create or write your research paper or do your research presentation. All right, so that concludes setting up your source notes document. It is all ready for you to start doing the next steps. So if you just click on in the slides, you'll notice that there are videos to show you how to do the following steps as well. All right, thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.